Whoa. Before we get into this, let's talk about this. So this here is my 2014 BMW M4. And when I bought it, it was in fact the cheapest in the UK at under £20,000. Now, other than a leak in diff seals and a broken rear spring from when I bought the car that Williams Performance sorted out, this car has been quite a dream. So in terms of power, it's actually running stage 2, but on track I run it in stage 1 because I prefer how the map runs, and it also has sport catered downpipes that GG Auto's fitted down in Southend. Now in terms of this area in here, we're running the 2 Ford ZF6 wheels paired with the Bilstein B16 dampers and Millway lower control arms, all supplied and fitted by Swift Performance, and trust me, they make a difference. And in case you haven't watched my other videos, I'm actually a partner with Yokohama, so I'm running their AD09 tyre, which is like a street tyre that can really do well on a track. Again, if you are racing quite hard, maybe you want to step up to an AO52, but for what I need, driving to the track, using the track and driving home from the track, AD09 all day, every day. So MDM or DSC off, which one will I be faster in? Personally, I would say MDM because I can drive the car harder knowing that if I do start to slide, the car will save me. DSC off, as soon as the car starts to slide, you're in trouble, my friend. So bearing in mind the mods that this car has and the fact that it's not even got a track focused suspension, let's see how we do in MDM. Now, bearing in mind that was my first time out on the track in the AD09s, my confidence was sky high, and I actually thought that I was rather quick. However, the MDM, as mentioned, I don't know if you heard me in the video, sometimes felt that it had its own mind, which technically it does, but it didn't give me the confidence because I thought if the car slides and I correct, sometimes the car would then intervene and it would overcorrect, and before you know it, we're fishtailing and we're somewhere we don't want to be. So MDM, if beginning, new to track days, or not looking to push the car really hard, it's a great safety net. And again, Define Coding does do some software that allows the car to slide a bit more in case you still want it there, but then you don't want it there. You know what I'm trying to say, just reach out to him. And in terms of reaching out, Top Don reached out to me about 2 months ago, in all fairness, and they said, Tim, would you like to try our battery booster? And I said, bearing in mind I don't really drive some of my cars that often because I get access to others, it's a no-brainer. Now, this is their top-of-the-range battery booster, and it can jumpstart petrol engines up to 9 litres, diesel engines up to 7 litres, and it has around 45 starts per charge, meaning charge this once, keep it in the boot, and you should be okay. They do advise you to charge it or just to use it at least once every 6 months to keep the battery ticking over. And this is literally a lifesaver because I jump in quite a few cars, and the other day I went to jump in my daily, and where I hadn't used it for 3 weeks, it didn't start. And I know what you're thinking, after 3 weeks, but a hybrid car doesn't really like to hold its battery, and they always recommend if you're not driving it for 3 weeks, especially in cold weather, to turn it on and start it. But luckily I plugged this in using the supplied clamps, and of course you can charge it with the USB-C, and it started like a dream. Now if you are looking for something that will save you when you are in a pickle, then definitely look for the Top Don JS 3000 because it is a lifesaver. Talking of lifesavers, let's look at DSC off because there will be no saving at all. Before you watch this part, do you think I'll be quicker or slower? There you have it. Quite frankly, I kind of surprised myself. As mentioned, the MDM being activated means that the car won't really step out. A little tiny bit, but not majorly. And I had more confidence with the DSC off. Now, of course, it's going to be down to having good rubber, such as these, the Yokohama 8009s, but I also feel confidence is being at one with the car, and DSC off, even if you're going slow, allows just that. MDM kind of takes things away. It's like having somebody operate the wheel while you're driving, and that would be very awkward. So there you have it, guys. DSC off for the win. Again, it does matter if the car is set up right. Tyres, suspension, alignment, all of those things put together had made this thing really go like it's on rail. And there, of course, is so much more time left in this chassis. So more mods over the winter, more seat time, more importantly. And yeah, we'll see how we end up. So yes, guys, if you have enjoyed the video, please smash the thumbs up button. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see all of your beautiful faces in the next one. Take care and God bless.